name is Lisa Alisteria, one of the sales director of Crisendal Realty and Services Company. And now we're here at Rich Del West Residences, located at Barangay Panungyanan, General Trias, Cavite. We have a complete amenities here like camping area, floating restaurant, pools, theater, treehouse, wood deck, and a lot more. So now, i-check po natin yung loob. May share po sa baba. And ito yung countertop and kitchen area. Ito po yung likod niya na kung saan pwede nyo po siyang i-extend. Ito pong unit nito is gagawin pong dress up model house. Kaya po meron siyang tiles.